Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. We are talking on our phone right now, and we bring it closer to the microphone part of our recording device. And it sounds like your voice is hoarse. We try our phone by making a call, and we bring the handset of our phone closer to the microphone of our recording device and compare it before and after. In order to soften the dirt, we spray the speaker, handset, and microphone parts with very little degreaser, which we can easily find in the market. I expect your questions from the comments on our channel, and I expect you to read the positive comments in other videos on our channel. It is a pleasure to be able to help you. In order to soften the dirt, we spray the speaker, handset, and microphone parts with very little degreaser, which we can easily find in the market. Now, with our acne and blackhead cleaner device, we can vacuum and remove the soft dirt in the pores. It's a good idea to do this a few times. Friends, at the end of our video, you'll see what a great job we have done. While making repairs, it is necessary to give great importance to the cosmetic appearance. Friends who did not get results from this video, I will add the second stage video link to the explanation section. If you apply our second stage video, it will repair your device with a 30% probability. We guide you about the malfunctions of all your other electronic devices, free of charge diagnosis and solution methods. If you write in the comments, our expert team will respond as soon as possible. Now, with our acne and blackhead cleaner device, we can vacuum and remove the soft dirt in the pores. You see the dirt coming out of our silicone pipe that we cleaned earlier. This dirt and dust reduces our sound quality and volume. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them. This is not quite visible in our repair video, but you should see how the dirt and foam in our other repair videos is vacuumed up into our silicone hose. These is not quite visible in our repair video, but you should see how the dirt and foam in our other. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. We wait a few seconds for our degreaser to soften the dirt and dust from the handset of our phone. We can do this process several times. We are talking on our phone right now, and we bring it closer to the microphone part of our recording device. And the sound seems loud and very high quality. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. I would be very happy if you would send my video to your friend who you want to be informed about. Good day, see you.
Thank you.